When it comes to health and fitness trackers, smart rings have become just as popular as smartwatches, and for good reason. They can track the basics like sleep, activity, and heart rate, all while being a smaller, lightweight option that doesn't cause any distractions with a screen or a speaker. Plus, it's a cool accessory you can wear on your hand. But with many choices, it can be difficult to figure out which best fits your needs. Hi, I'm Branson from Best Reviews, and today we're checking out two of the leading models in the smart ring game to see how they stack up: the Oura Ring 4 and the Samsung Galaxy Ring. If you like what you're seeing, the best way to support us is to hit that like and subscribe button, and please check out the links in the comments below to learn anything you want to know about the products featured in this video. Released in July 2024, the Oura Ring 4 is one of the trendiest smart rings on the market. While it can track a number of health metrics, users often focus on sleep analysis. The ring is made of titanium and comes in 5 colors, with ring sizes ranging from 4 to 15. The Oura weighs between 3 and 5 grams, measuring 2.8 millimeters thick for a lightweight feel. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is an AI-powered health tracker that came out in October of 2024. Like the Oura 4, the Galaxy Ring is made of titanium and is available in 3 colors. It's slightly slimmer at 2.6 millimeters thick and weighs 3 grams or less, which comes in sizes 5 to 13. The Oura Ring 4 has a sleek, matte, gunmetal exterior with a chrome interior, making it both attractive and comfortable. Our tester found the ring to be lightweight and ideal for everyday wear. The device handled daily activities such as driving and frequent hand washing and didn't disrupt sleeping. However, after a few days, the ring caused the underside of our tester's finger to turn white, which makes it a 9 out of 10 in design and build quality. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is similarly light and durable, withstanding the same amount of water contact. However, the concave shape gave the ring a pronounced edge and kind of a snug fit despite the correct ring size. That made for an uncomfortable wearing experience for our user that left minor scratches on the tester's finger, so we gave it an 8 out of 10. Through the Oura app, the Oura Ring 4 provides the user with 3 daily scores: readiness, sleep, and activity. What more do you need to know about yourself? A membership is required for additional insights, including heart rate, blood oxygen, and cycle testing. The Oura Ring features auto activity detection that will detect over 40 activities. However, our tester found that the sensors were overly sensitive, often suggesting they should log non-exercise activity. These suggestions then needed to be deleted, which was somewhat tedious. Along with the membership cost, this took the health and fitness tracking score down to an 8 out of 10. The Galaxy Ring similarly tracks the basics like sleep, heart rate, and cycle tracking. Its auto workout detection only picks up running and walking stats like distance, speed, and calories burned. However, other workouts can be manually logged using the Samsung Health app, and AI-powered insights such as energy score, which is like Oura's readiness score, and personalized wellness tips are only available with a compatible Samsung Galaxy AI phone. While a paid subscription isn't required, the limited functionality for non-Galaxy phones earned it an 8 out of 10. Our tester found both Ring's notifications insightful and motivational, although each one has its own set of requirements, so don't be discouraged. With the Oura membership, first-time buyers receive a 1-month trial, giving users a chance to test out the added insights before purchasing. The Oura Ring 4 is compatible with Apple iOS and Android phones and smartwatches, earning it a 10 out of 10 rating in connectivity and compatibility. The Galaxy Ring only works with Android devices, so due to its limited compatibility, we gave it a 7 out of 10. The Oura Ring 4 claims that the ring has up to 8 days battery life. The convenience of the long-lasting battery earned the ring a perfect 10 out of 10 rating for battery and charging. The Samsung Galaxy Ring stayed true to their claim of a 7-day battery life. However, it took longer to charge than the Oura, making it a little less convenient to charge and wear more consistently. So we gave it a 9 out of 10. Using the ring with a Samsung Galaxy Watch could extend its battery life since the Samsung Health app gathers data from both wearables. Those looking for an everyday health tracker will do well with either the Oura Ring 4 or the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Choosing between the two comes down to overall cost. See, the Oura Ring 4 ranges from $350 to $400 depending on the ring color and size, but that doesn't include the monthly or yearly membership price, which is $6 a month or $70 a year. Although it's not required in order to use the Ring, the membership's additional features are an important factor to consider. Oura is the best option for Apple users, while the $400 Galaxy Ring is ideal for Android users, specifically those already in the Samsung ecosystem. Once again, I'm Branson from Best Reviews. Let us know your thoughts below.